So now let's start the last topic of cell. Cell inclusion. What is cell inclusion? We had already completed all types of organelles: Golgi body, lysosome, mitochondria, and green pigments is known as a chloroplast. And then there are the three types of the color pigments: chloroplast, leucoplast, and chloroplast, leucoplast, and chromoplast. Chloroplast, green pigment; leucoplast, white pigment in which the food and storage material is stored, and leucoplast. And chromoplast is responsible for the color of the flowers and fruits. Now cell inclusion, after completing all the organelles, the last is cell inclusion. Cell inclusion is a temporary storehouse of the cell in which the extra material is stored, which is produced after the metabolic process going on inside the cell. यानी कि सेल ની અંદર જે પણ મેટાબોલિક પ્રોસેસ થાય અને જે બધું નીકળે એ બધું શેમાં સ્ટોર થાય? સેલ inclusion. Cell inclusion actually dead material present inside the cell. And as a cell inclusion, storage material is present, organic and inorganic substances are present. As the inorganic substances, starch is present, calcium carbonate is present, calcium oxalate is present, and other secretory product is considered as cell inclusion. And cell inclusion are mostly dead material present inside the cell. Okay, now the cell inclusion. Now the two types of the cells are there on the basis of the type of nucleus present inside the cell. First is prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. What is prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells? In prokaryotic cells, thick cell wall is present. Cell membrane is also present. But well-defined nucleus is not present. Well-defined nucleus is not present. Just as a nucleus, as a one strand of DNA is present. This is the one strand of DNA is present, and it is considered as nucleoid, and this kind of the nucleus is known as a nucleoid is present. No membrane bound organelles are present. All the membrane bound organelles, yani ribosomes are single membrane bound. You know, ribosomes are a single membrane. Ribosomes don't have any membrane, just a lump of material is made up of RNA. याद करो. Okay, so only ribosomes are present as a one organelle in prokaryotic cells, while other organelles are present, absent. Golgi body, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, all kinds of the organelles are absent in prokaryotic cells. Yani nucleus is not present, but nucleus is in the form of a DNA, one single DNA strand as a present. Okay, and ન્યુક્લિયોલસ, આપણને ખબર છે કે આ સેલ છે, આ ન્યુક્લિયસ છે, ન્યુક્લિયસની અંદર પણ જે હોય એને ન્યુક્લિયોલસ કહેવાય. ન્યુક્લિયોલસ. And in prokaryotic cells, nucleolus, because nucleus is not present, then how can nucleolus is present? So nucleolus is absent. All well membrane bound organelle are absent. All are absent. Nucleus Nuclear membrane is not present because nucleus is not present. While in eukaryotic cells, most of well-developed plant and animals are made up of eukaryotic cells. What are the characteristics of eukaryotic cells? Eukaryotic cells, if it is plant, then the cell wall is present, as well as inside the cell membrane is present, as well as double layer nucleus wall is present. Double layer nucleus wall is present. Okay, this is nucleus. Nucleus is present. Inside the nucleus, nucleolus is present. Lus is present. And as a hereditary character, DNA is also present, but the DNA is present in the form of chromosome. These are the chromosomes. Chromosomes are present. Chromosomes are present. So in a eukaryotic cells like humans or most of plants and animals, body is made up of eukaryotic cells in which the well-defined, well-organized nucleus is present. Nucleus nathi is a primitive type of cells. And eukaryotic cells is a well-developed cell in which nucleus is present, all membrane-bound organelles are present. This in the cytoplasm, endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, ribosome, lysosomes, all kind of the organelles are present. Okay. In the nucleus, chromosomes are present, nucleolus is present, doubled membrane, nuclear membrane is present, is known as eukaryotic cells. Okay. And the examples of the prokaryotic cells in plant and animal, most of all plants and animals are made up of eukaryotic cells. And the examples of the prokaryotic cells are some bacteria and blue-green algae. Blue-green algae are the examples of the prokaryotic cells. And blue-green algae are known as cyanobacteria. और એનું બીજું નામ છે cyanobacteria are the examples of prokaryotic cells. Okay. Now the schematic diagram of a plant cells and animal cells. Exam માં diagram પૂછાય. Plant cells and animal cells. Let it be plant cells. And a schematic diagram draw करिए. Is a cell wall. चलो कौन कहते हैं cell wall is made up of cellulose, and cellulose is dead and organic material થી બનેલી હોય. Cell wall અંદર હોય cell membrane or plasma membrane. तो plasma membrane अथवा तो cell membrane से નથી બનેલું હોય, protein and lipid થી બનેલું હોય. Protein, lipid यानी fat. This is cell membrane. Cell wall is made up of cellulose, but cell membrane is made up of lipid and protein and lipid, यानी protein and fat थी बनेलू है. In the centrally located nucleus is present, and the wall of the nucleus is double layered. Is nucleus. Okay. From the inner wall of the nucleus arises what arises? ER. Endoplasmic reticulum is arises. Endoplasmic reticulum. In the cell, more than one endoplasmic reticulums are present. This is ER. But if on the surface of ER, ribosome ribosome are stick on the surface, then that ER is known as rough endoplasmic reticulum, and this is known as a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. It is plant, so green pigment is present, so this is known as chloroplast. Chloroplast is present, is known as nucleus, and this is inside the nucleus. Nucleolus is present. Nucleolus is present. Is known as mitochondria. Is થપ્પી જેવું હોય અને પાછળ આમ ડ્રોપ જેવું, is known as Golgi apparatus. और मैं तुमने गोल्गी बॉडी में कीधुं હતું. In the animal it is known as the Golgi apparatus, but in the plant it is known as a dictyosome. Hence this Golgi apparatus is known as a dictyosome. And the big vacuoles are present because it is plant cell. Big vacuoles are present. Then ribosomes, lysosome. चलो आમાં શું present હોય અને શું absent હોય. In the plant, chloroplast is present, which is not present in animal cell because animals are not green in color. So chloroplast is present only in plant cells. But what are the difference between plants and animal cells? In animal cells, centrosome is present. Centrosome is responsible for the radiation of ester fiber when the cell divide. આપણે જોયું હતું centriole and centrosome and centriole. Centrosome or a centriole are only and only present in plant cells. That's the difference. ચલો આપણે ડિફરન્સ જોઈએ. આવું જ આપણે એનિમલ સેલ ડ્રો કરીશું, પણ સ્ટ્રક્ચર આવું નહીં થાય. If it is animal cell, તો શું કાઢી નાખવાનું? big vacuoles ની ડ્રો કરવાની, ક્લોરોપ્લાસ્ટ ની ડ્રો કરવાના, પણ શું ડ્રો કરવાનું? Animal cell is just animal cells. Only plasma membrane is present. Cell wall is not present. Centrally located nucleus having double membrane, same as endoplasmic reticulum. હું થોડું સિમ્પલ ડ્રો કરું છું, બરાબર? આગળ ડ્રો કરી દીધું છે એટલે endoplasmic reticulum. The ribosome are stick on the endoplasmic reticulum, hence it is known as rough endoplasmic reticulum, is known as a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Do you know the functions of rough endoplasmic reticulum? Protein synthesis. And what is the function of smooth endoplasmic reticulum? Fat formation. And protein and fat are responsible for the formation of plasma membrane. એટલે કે નવા સેલ બને તો એનું પ્લાઝ્મા મેમ્બ્રેન બનવા માટે ફેટ અને પ્રોટીન એન્ડ ફેટ which is produced by endoplasmic reticulum. Now Golgi apparatus is a pipe. આને કહેવાય Golgi body. What is absent in animal cells? Green pigment. Chloroplast is absent. Big vacuoles are absent. Cell wall is absent. But which is present addition to plant cells? Centrosome is present. And with the centrosome which are nearer to always nucleus ની બાજુમાં બતાવવાના, and which are responsible for the cell division. Nucleus and chromosomes, nucleolus, cytoplasm, lysosome. Okay, these are the animal cells and plant cells. Okay, here is the end of this chapter.